Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing another monthly unboxing of the Sephora Play. So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are. Is this better than last month's fiasco? Then definitely keep on watching. All right, guys. So if you guys are new here or don't already know, I've been doing Sephora Play now. I want to say for about a year I've had this box. It is a $10 a month monthly subscription service where you get 5 to 6 sample size of items that are sold at Sephora. You can get perfume stuff in here, lip products in here, eye stuff in here, skin products in here. I got my favorite product ever, my Washu Shiseido Clear Gel Hydrating Moisturizer. The best thing. I swear to God, I am obsessed with this. The little mini ones are now officially gone, and I moved on to the bad boy, but this is how I found and fell in love with this because of the Sephora Play box. So genuinely, I really do like this subscription service, but last month's was just a joke because I literally got all repeat items, like everything was a repeat, and I decided to forego the Sephora Play card. I've had a few people reach out to me in my DMs and say that they got rid of it because they did a poll and people would rather see different items in here than get a Sephora Play card. I don't know why, because I really love that Sephora Play card. You got 50 points. 50 points you could add onto your purchase in store or online, and that's a great way to build up the point system, because if y'all don't already know, Sephora's point system is a joke. It's a joke. I can't stand it, and I can't get into this box. Oh my God. I mean, their system truly is just a joke. They really need to like up their system. But I still get it. Why? I like to torture myself. And it's also $10 a month, and I also forget that I get it. Honestly, I do, because it comes so late in the month. But this is this month's box theme. There seems to be the anatomy of a beauty lover's heart. Ooh. You know, I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I actually have never looked at this side. I don't ever read anything on this side. I tend to just toss it aside. I've been very, very adamant since the get-go that I really, really also cannot stand the plastic makeup reusable bag. Guys, it is not reusable. At least for me, it's not. I find it very, very wasteful. It's plastic, so it's not biodegradable. It's harmful for the environment. And I really wish they would just put it inside the box instead of putting it in something like this, or do like a freaking cheap-ass makeup bag like Ipsy does. Ipsy does those little like $2 garbage makeup bags. I wish they would do the same thing for this. They don't. They torture me, and I can't stand it. All right, so enough bitching about Sephora Play, because I bitch about them enough about this every single month. We're going to dig into this little guy right here. So the first thing I see is from Fresh. This is the Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. Ooh, Youth Preserve. It knows that I need it. Let's see. This is this hydrating cream combats dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. Plus, it gives you a young and love glow. I don't need that because I get that every day. Yay, Sephora. I told you in my survey that I'm an oily bitch, not a dry bitch. Thanks. All right, let's smell this. Do you even smell good? You smell pretty nice. It kind of has like a scent of like a cucumber smell. It smells really nice. But unfortunately, I cannot necessarily use it because I do not have any issues with dry skin. But unfortunately, as much as I really want to give this a go and try it out, it would just be a waste on my skin. I wouldn't even like the product. So I'm just going to put this in a box aside for my best friend Alyssa, because she has very dry skin. I mean, like... So I think she could really use some benefit off of this. I'll put this aside for her to try out to see if it's something that she would really, really enjoy, because that'd be really, really nice for her. All right, and then the next product. Oh my God, Allie, why do you do this all the time? Oh my God, that's embarrassing. Oh, Allie. Now you wiped away your foundation. Oh my God. That is truly... All right. have the embarrassing stuff set aside. The next product is from Tarte. Oh, wow, they put a foundation in here. This is a water foundation. This is the C Water Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 15 and 22 Light Neutral. Oh, they know that I'm a light neutral, but I'm a light medium neutral. Anyway, this is an exclusive and chosen for your skin tone. This foundation helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while delivering weightless, buildable coverage. It's a formula your skin won't ever want to live without. Wow. Light neutral. I don't know about that. Oh, it's a little itty bitty babies. Oh, okay. Please be a match. Do I just like drop it on my skin? Okay, we're not gonna, obviously we're not gonna drop. Ooh, this might be a match. You know what? Let's go right over here. Ooh. 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 Ooh, I'm gonna have to play around with this. This seems to be actually a match for my skin tone, trying it out my neck. It definitely seems like it'd be a match. I feel like it would definitely oxidize down just a little bit because it's on the back of my hand. Look, y'all can't see it. Matching. No, it's right here somewhere. But I'm excited to try this out. I actually haven't tried out anything from Tarte when it comes to their foundation. I honestly don't have an excuse why I haven't. I just haven't. So I'm gonna put this little bad boy right here so I can try this out to see if it's actually good. And this is the first time I got a foundation product in this box. That's exciting. Oh, okay. All right, next product. This is from, it's from Kat Von D Beauty. This is the Lock-It Setting Powder. The setting powder has a weightless formula that will leave your skin shine-free, so safe for a keeper. So I've never been a fan of Kat Von D Beauty. Just never been a fan of Kat Von D personally. I just never been a fan, and I know that a lot of people are against her because of her anti-vaxxer situation. I know that she just sold her brand, so she no longer owns this brand. It's going to be called like whatever it's going to be called, some sort of like name, but they're going to keep like the initials, like KVD Beauty. They're going to keep that, and like they're putting like a name with it. But she did sell her brand, and she has no longer any affiliation with it. She's not going to make any money or royalties off her brand. So no, now some influencers are definitely willing to try her stuff, but she did do an article where she blamed all the influencers for the reason why her brand sucked and why her brand went down the hill, which I think is kind of shitty because I feel like she did it to herself, but now she's blaming all the influencers for her downfall, which but I will definitely give this a try. Whether I'll like it, I honestly don't know. Again, I'm very, very the type of person that I'm going to ignore the name that's on it and just honestly try out the product for what it is. I like to give products a full, honest review and a few honest tryout, and I like to oversee any bullshit and drama that's associated with the brand or person of the brand. Like I want to look past that and honestly just review the product for what it is. I don't care whose freaking name is on it. Like I want to review the product. So I'm definitely gonna give this a try. Hopefully it's good. I mean, if it is, that's great. If it's not, well, it's a little dinky little size. All right. Next product is, ooh, okay, this is from Rahu. This is the full-on conditioner. This is a color full conditioner infused with the heat warming scent of gardenia. This conditioner tends to color treat hair to minimize brassiness and enhance vibrancy. Do you know that I have blonde hair, Sephora? Are you actually paying somewhat attention to my stuff? I love trying out new purple shampoo. I think, oh. Ooh, I don't really care for the smell of you. Let's just go back in here though. Wait, hold on. No product wasted. Nope, you know, we're just gonna, all right, a purple shampoo for me to try. That is freaking amazing. And guys, it came with a matching shampoo. Yay. That is so freaking cool. I really love the fact that it actually paid attention that I have blonde hair, and I like to use products that are really anti-brassiness. I'm actually getting my hair done again on Monday. Not the biggest fan of the smell though. Why does these things keep trying to pop up at me? Like, I'm not the biggest fan of the smell. I'm not very much a very like floral scent when it comes to like strong smelling like roses and like other peonies, and I'm not a big flower person. I mean, I'm I just don't really like it smelling like my hair because I feel like you just smell like a nursing home. So yeah, we're gonna try this out. But I'm not a big fan of the smell, but I'm excited to try it. I'm excited for it though, for real. All right, and the last thing in this is called Ghost Oil. This is a ghost oil. It's a bonus. And this says this hydrating oil is willing to put in time and effort to hair deserves to minimize frizz and deliver lasting shine. Now, I am not the biggest fan of putting oils in my hair just because I do get very greasy very easily just because I'm constantly touching my hair like this. But I do get really greasy really, really easily. So whenever I put an oil in there, it can kind of enhance the greasiness. It's why I try to stick from here down so I stay away from the scalp. But I'm definitely willing to try. Maybe it smells good. It says it's perfect for all skin hair types. Oh, I don't want to open you because you're just in this. So there's that. Yeah, that seems to be everything that's in this box. I actually like this month's box. I really am disappointed again that they don't have the play card in here. I understand why they don't. But I'm excited about the products that are in here. I mean, the only thing I can't really use is this right here just because this is meant for dry skin and I have very oily skin, so this would not, they clash. Do you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to put this aside for Alyssa. And then I'm excited to try out this foundation. I feel like it's definitely going to be a match. Because like putting it down on my neck, yes, I've been down my foundation earlier down on my neck, but I put it right here and I honestly can't tell a difference between the two. So I think that's a really good indication that this might be an actual match for my skin. And if it works out really nicely, well then, hey, I just found a new foundation. I feel like they should add more stuff like this in the box. I think that's really cool. I also really like the fact that they put in purple shampoo. Like how freaking cool is that? Purple shampoo. Well, it says colorful conditioner for gorgeous hair. It doesn't honestly say it's for purple shampoo, but then it says right here that it's to minimize anti-brassiness. So I want to assume that it is for purple hair, even though it doesn't say purple hair, purple shampoo, even though it doesn't say that it's necessarily meant for blonde hair. I'm assuming it's gonna be the same concept because it's anti-brassiness. And then the Kat Von D setting powder. I'm always down to try out to different setting powder, especially if it could lock in any oiliness. I'd be so down for that. So I definitely am very happy with this month's box. I think it's definitely a big improvement compared to last month's box, and hopefully it just gets better from this point on. Maybe they're listening to people's concerns and people's complaints, and I don't know, I really do wish they would actually put back in the play card. Maybe they should like watch my videos. Maybe I should just start sending all my videos and be like, yo, put this back in and let's eliminate this. That's a good trade, you know? So I'm gonna wrap this up because I have to edit a couple of videos because Paige is coming over tonight because we're going to Jeffree Star launch tomorrow. Next week we're getting together again to go to Playlist Live. If any of you guys are there, please come over and come say hi. Like I said, I highly doubt I'll get recognized, and I'm actually kind of okay with not getting recognized. I find it very, very weird. I'm a very, very awkward person, y'all. I'm extremely awkward, and the idea of like, I love doing this. I really love being a YouTuber. Like I love doing YouTube. It's one of my biggest passions in the world. But there is something I was talking about with Corey. I said, I love being a YouTuber, but I don't really care to have the fame associated with it. Like I just want to do it because I love it, not to have anything else. And to have like brands that want to reach out to me and work with me, I'm always like, why? Like, why do you want to work with me? Like, I get really bad anxiety. Like he gets more excited about brands reaching out than I do. He gets more excited about any PR thing that might come my way than I do, just because I get very in my head. I get very, very bad anxiety about it. I'm like, I can't do it. Like I'm not good enough. Don't question it, guys. I have bad anxiety. It's the name of the game. And then the idea of getting recognized, it freaks me out because I want to make sure that like, I don't know, people like me, and I don't ever want people to think anything less, and I'm just myself, and I don't know, like I don't ever care to be like a big person like Jaclyn Hill or Tati or James Charles. Like I don't ever care to be like that big. I just want to be on here, come on here, have fun, make videos, be myself, and I don't ever want anything to change. So I'm okay. I'm very comfortable where I'm at, and whenever my channel grows, I get very like, oh my god, like I get very awkward. So I like my little community. It makes me nice. It feels nice. So yeah, if you guys ever see me, you know, I would love to see you. Just know that I might be like a little like hi, like just awkward and shy, just because I'm just as anxiety ridden as you might be, or I don't know, I'm just really awkward, which is really weird because like if I ever see somebody that I recognize, I have no problem walking up like, hey, are you so and so? Oh my god, let's get a picture. What? Like I have no problem doing that. But then anyone want to do this to me, I'm like, oh, why do you want to like I'm on the photo like Like I get really scared. So if you guys ever see me, please come say hi. Just know that I might be like shitting bricks the whole time. So, and then when you like walk away, the first thing I'll say is, "Oh my God, was I nice? Did they like me? Do you think I was good enough? Did I say enough? Did I talk to them enough? Did we become best friends right away? Like, what do I do?" Like, I get really like in my head. So, yeah, that's me. So, yeah, I just rambled on, and I'm trying to wrap up this video. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please ensure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 to 5. I post all the time. I'm always here because I love doing this. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It is All for the Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful, adventures, amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys very next video. Bye! Oh my God. Whew. Okay. Guardine. So, oh yeah. So, yeah. And then I'm so excited because the next week we're getting together. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, I should probably get this ready. Winter. How the hell's my battery dying already? Jesus, I need new batteries.